Hi, I'm Seeger with Bump It Physical Therapy, and today we're going to be talking about how to use a Boppy. Now, Boppies are great because you can use it for the baby to help baby meet some milestones, whether that be tummy time or sitting up, but it's also great for nursing. So that's what we're going to be showing today. So in order to get the best use of your Boppy, you can feed your little one in different positions. The first one is just traditional cradling, where the arm is underneath supporting her head, and then this arm is free to do whatever, whether that be drinking water for yourself. The other one that you can do is you can do the crossover cradle hold, where it's essentially the same position for the baby, except at this time, instead of having the arm under her head, you're going to have your hand underneath her head. And this is really good so that you can help bring the breast closer to the baby. If your breast is very engorged, you can use that hand to kind of massage your breast and allow that milk flow to come down. So the third position is to put yourself in a football hold. So to do that, you'll bring the Boppy on your side. So it's wrapped in the front and it wraps around the back, so that gives you a little bit of back support there. And then all you're gonna do is put the baby on that same side. So she knows these positions, so she's ready to eat. So we're just gonna put her on that same side. And then you can use baby and just bring her up to your breast. If this is a smaller baby, sorry baby. If this is a smaller baby, you can put another pillow underneath to bring the baby to your breast versus you coming down to the baby. So I decided to go ahead and take a little break and start her feeding because she was getting a little anxious. But this is a good example of how to do the football hold. So the Boppy is wrapped around me. I have support in the back. Her feet are behind her. And yeah, she's basically just in a comfortable position there. I have one hand underneath her head and neck to support her. Especially if she was a little younger, I would definitely want to make sure that I have that in place. One thing I failed to mention is if you feel that the chair depth is too deep, or maybe the arm height is too high and you feel like you're hunching over, grab a stool and you can either put your feet out this way, which I don't like to do because it's not very good for me. So I opt for the little bench, and that helps to bring her closer to me versus me coming forward. For other great tips, make sure that you subscribe, so make sure to hit the button below.